Hi, I'm Daniel with Mr. Electric of Gastonia. I'm an electrical technician. I come into homes. I do safety checks on the electrical system. We get you up to date on your home's electrical situation. We take care of those for you if necessary. We also do upgrades. We've got a good group of guys here, very educated group. We all seem to work great as a team to ensure that the customer is always happy and to basically give the customer an experience that other electrical groups can't offer. We do a lot here as far as education. That's one reason why I do love this company, is we're always trying to improve ourselves as a group. Want every customer to know that we are the best of the best, and we're going to come out and we're going to give you a fair shot at upgrading your electrical system, and come out and be professional and smile. It's kind of what we do as a group.